Today we're looking into the story of Richard Lee McNair, one of America's most infamous prison escapees, a man whose repeated escapes from custody turned him into a legendary figure in true crime history. Known for his intelligence, patience, and unbelievable escape methods, McNair managed to embarrass law enforcement multiple times before his luck finally ran out. So now, many people are asking, where is Richard Lee McNair now? Let's find out. Richard Lee McNair's criminal history dates back to 1987, when he murdered a North Dakota man during a robbery. He was later convicted and sentenced to life in prison. However, what truly made McNair notorious were his prison escapes. His first escape happened in 1988, when he slipped out of custody using lip balm to free himself from handcuffs while inside a police station. Although he was quickly recaptured, it was only the beginning. Years later, in 2006, McNair carried out his most famous escape from a federal prison in Louisiana. Investigators said he managed to hide inside a specially built mailbag container and was transported out of the prison during a routine mail delivery. The escape triggered a nationwide manhunt. For months, McNair managed to avoid capture, even surviving a dramatic encounter with a police officer who unknowingly spoke to him during a traffic stop in Canada before letting him go. Eventually, in October 2007, he was captured again after being recognized while driving a stolen vehicle. So, where is Richard Lee McNair now? As of now, Richard Lee McNair is still incarcerated at United States Penitentiary, McCreary in Kentucky, serving multiple life sentences for murder, escape, attempted escape, and related crimes. Because of his extensive escape history, he is considered an extremely high-risk inmate and remains under tight security conditions. Over the years, McNair's story has been featured in documentaries, books, and true crime programs due to the almost unbelievable nature of his escapes and manhunts. From escaping handcuffs with lip balm to hiding inside a prison mail container, Richard Lee McNair's story remains one of the most extraordinary prison escape cases in American history. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories like this and updates on where people are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.